First of all, I love you.
I love you too.
Sincerely. We live in a very challenging time. Through my perspective, of course, we are with a lot of people from Asia, so there's a lot of things happening in Europe for now and in America. And my aim of my talk is to focus on World Peace One. For that to be able to happen, I believe you need self-realization on very important key decision-making people in the world. They need to become self-realized or replaced. There is no other way for World Peace One to be able to be happening. So self-realization is something you're all familiar with, I believe. Many people have been talking here already about the importance of self-realization, the importance of yoga, unity, the importance of truth. What we can do is not saying what the other has to do. This is just a perspective of me, what needs to be happen to go to this beautiful transition of war towards peace. I see a beautiful transitioning happening, and I hope it will continue to go smoothly so we can go to a world without destruction and towards global awakening, human awakening, a human awakening to its true nature, to be human, to be kind mankind, human being. This is our greatest quality, I believe, in my perspective. So, to regain this quality, especially in Western culture, education has been challenging to stay truthful and keep on following the mainstream education. Here I cannot speak about education, might be completely different. So there's actually a big challenge for Europe and Western countries to become more self-realized. I see truth is very present in Bharat. I'm very grateful for that. I see decision-making people talk from a truthful place. Now I want you to take away from the mind and to transcend the mind and let go of all these thoughts. Let's do a simple practice together, just here right now, and let this go with the main focus towards peace. For some it's so natural, and for the ones who is peace natural, let us go deeper into this peace. There is depth into peace possible. So for that I have actually a 3-step plan. And the first step is, you're familiar with it. We have been having some summits together. So the first step is bring your attention to simply being present. This is the greatest present, I believe me, not directly, but you will see. So bring your attention just simply here. Not here to me, but here with yourself. Now step 2, keep this attention here. Be very vigilant, because thoughts can come up. Oh, what's going on here? What's going on? Ignore these thoughts. These thoughts are not yours unless you identify with it. If you identify with these thoughts, you will start to believe you are this thought. If it's easier for you to close your eyes, to be fully present just here right now, please close your eyes. It will help you to not move the energy outside of your body. Again, be very vigilant what kind of thoughts come. Just let them go for a moment and just be here. Now gently breathe in through the nose and out. Keep going, without going anywhere. More like a deepening. With every in-breath, you can relax a little bit more. Step 3. Do this every morning and every evening for 15 minutes a day. Or better said, start with doing this simple practice that we have been doing here together every day. 15 minutes in the morning, 15 minutes in the evening. Habits are very constructive and they can also be very destructive. When we have a smoking habit, over the years, it can destroy your temple, your human body. If you have a healthy habit, it can transform your life in the best way. By creating world peace within, by creating peace within, we create world peace as well. We cannot clean what's happening outside of ourselves, but by cleaning what's happening within ourselves, we are cleaning our outside as well. So within, so without, and beyond, I address to you now as human consciousness, but there is no within, there is no without, there's all the same one, and all this is a passing show in some way as well. But let it be a beautiful dream and not a nightmare. So let us keep our house clean, our thoughts clean, becoming more aware what's happening in the minds, becoming more attentive to which thoughts we give attention and which thoughts we choose to not have. If you want to know how our future looks like as human expression, look inside of your mind, look inside of what you're thinking, and you have an idea how your future looks like. Now the gift is you can change this. You can choose how your future looks like in this expression. Take back control over yourself, first by self-realization, second through self-mastery. Om Namah Shivaya, Hari Om. Let there be peace, peace, peace. Bless you all.